agree that right now Romney's proposing getting the oil pipe going from
Right.
from the northern states of Montana to all the
Mm-hmm.
way to Oklahoma. It's right now people in New York City after the storm. My uncle actually got his power back after nearly 6 days in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
So the city of New York is still in deep trouble because Hurricane Sandy. Obama's failing to bring them, gasoline to fill up the pump, and working to make sure that we get enough food. And uh, Romney sent the food to the area yesterday, so I guess it arrived on time and everybody's happy.
Mm-hmm.
But we still have to keep fighting. Um, you know, there's only one. I can just say this and repeat this again. There's only one day left. One day left.
Yep.
That's what everybody. Some girl, one of my friends, actually just knocked on my door and said, "You're here," and she said, "Just remember, there's only one day left. After tomorrow, we're not gonna, say it again because that we don't want Obama again. Because if we say that Obama's gonna get reelected, we don't want that. I mean, it's gonna be the worst for human history to have Obama.
Yeah.
I think the next 4 years. I mean, maybe it could become the next president that brings us into a Great Depression because if economy tends to pull down again, like cause a real problem, we won't have gasoline, we won't, inflation, blind inflation, just like Carter years again.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have it. We still have much in debt, so I know Romney doesn't want to borrow money from China to pay for it.
That's right.
So we have to start. We have saving every dollar we can to help the economy.